Mike the Bee, theme music. Mike the Bee, theme music. You never know where he's gonna be. He's just gonna be Mike the Bee, theme music. Hello, my little flowers. So we're back here at Halloween Horror Nights for another night of mischief and mayhem. We're gonna do 2 more houses. We are halfway there. We got 5 done. We got 5 more to go. And we'll just see what else we can get into. So with all that being said, let's go. Okay guys, so the first house we went through was
the Fiesta de Chupacabras. You're gonna visit, it's in Soundstage 24, I'm sorry. You're visiting a Latin American village where the legend of the creature Chupacabras is celebrated with a colorful fiesta, and the streets are lined with the crimson blood of tourists like you and your amigos.
Okay, so I mean, I thought that the house was cute. The idea was cute. It brought,
Yes.
you know, in the I don't know, it's like a folklore tale of the Chupacabra for those who are like Latin descendant. I'm part Mexican, so I kind of know about the Chupacabra, but I'm not like fully versed on the legend.
I know the Chupacabra was like a goat sucker. Like, so what happened was, you know, like farmers would see that their goats were dead and they were missing their blood.
All right.
And so they were like, oh my gosh, it's this fictitious Chupacabra that's sucking the blood.
Well, that would explain the goat.
Yeah, that would explain
Spoiler,
the
there's a goat in the house.
A goat.
No goats were harmed in the making of this house.
Maybe 3 real Chupacabras. The rest were people dressed like Chupacabras.
Well, so it's the festival though. So a lot of it was like the scare actors were people with like masks.
Yeah.
So it's like the festival of the Chupacabra or
Sure.
Fiesta.
Yeah, Fiesta.
So it was cute. There was one that kind of got me, but it was like one like around the corner and, you know, jumped out type situation. But otherwise, it was cute. I don't know. You're going through the town. So
I was giving it a solid 4. I think I'm gonna have to probably increase it to 6 because hold on. Well, let's see. Because I had it here in a minute. Hellblock Horror. Still just, oh my god. So yeah, so this is definitely a 6 compared to others. So.
Okay, good. All right.
So we decided to pop into Louis' Italian restaurant located in the New York section for a little treat. So in the corner of this restaurant, you can get gelato. It's actually Guido's Gelato. They have several floats you can choose from, but we decided to go with 2 scoops in a cup for $4.99. My partner went with a mint chocolate chip and strawberry. I went with the chocolate and pistachio. The flavors came through really, really nice. They were creamy, refreshing, and delicious. You can mix and match your flavors, or you can get 2 of the same. The choice is completely up to you.
Exalted titans, my royal pillagers of darkness, be faithful unto me. Let the bloodletting commence! With magic right, my hellish hounds, through the power of this blood, forever bound. The night of harvest is upon us. Let us together bask in the glory of our customs. Drink, my devoted minions, drink! I can feel it coursing through my veins. The power emanating from these tortured souls. It shall be our vitality!
So the photo op with the Chucky display is back. You can get your photo if you scan the QR code. You stand in the back, this fun little thing happens, it's supposed to scare you. Of course, I did my photo during the day because I wanted to be more in the window, but it is there throughout the event if you want to get this photo. Over at Cafe La Bamba, they have set up this really nice Day of the Dead style booth, offering treats and drinks. My partner gave the Burning Skull a try. El Jamor tequila, Gran Gala liqueur, lime juice, simple syrup, mango nectar, pineapple juice, hellfire bitters, jalapeno, and basil.
Ooh, the fruit juices have a really nice kick at the end with lime. The powdered cayenne pepper on top really gives it a nice kick. And then this icicle. So good. And it's got the peppering on top of it too. So like it makes it a nice combination of sweet and spicy. It's so delicious. I highly recommend it. It's called the Burning Skull. So good. So good. So here's to you.
Alright, so the next house we did was Dead Man's Pier Winter Wake. And so this one was very highly rated by a lot of people already. And so this was our first run through of this house. So
on Soundstage 24, in a New England fishing village, undead fishermen emerge from the waves to seek their revenge. You and your Scream Squad may have escaped their hooks in the scare zone. Now they'll reel you in and drag you under. So as a professional sailor myself, I really enjoyed this house. I can see why it was so highly rated. I'm not a blood and guts, gore, scary kind of person, but like the idea of like a hook going through somebody's skin just gives me the creeps, the EBGBs. And so there's a couple of scenes in there where like you've got this ice hook that's going through a guy's chin and it just yuck. So like I would say like 10 out of 10 on this one. I really enjoyed it.
So I have to agree. So the story with this one, you really do get the story, like the sense of the story when you enter the house. I mean, the village, like it's kind of cold and creepy. There's a statue of the violinist, which spoiler, you'll see her again later. The sets were kind of amazing. They were
amazing.
Like really, I got a little misted. It was supposed to be raining, I guess. So You do get a little moist and a little wet in this house, just FYI. But I don't know. I really did enjoy this one.
100%.
So this, yeah, I have to agree with the 10 out of 10. This is probably my number one so far.
Well, so I've done 7 houses so far, and Mike has done 8. I still have 3 houses to go, but so far this is my number 1 house.
Yeah.
And I would say Blumhouse probably comes in a really close second. And it might be a toss-up between Blumhouse and maybe, and I know it's odd, but what are the three that are always here? The classic monsters.
The Universal Monsters.
So like I would say Blumhouse and classic monsters are a close second. So I mean it's a good. I was thinking as we were walking out that maybe HHN 31 is kind of a dud, but I don't know. After this house, I think they might have kind of redeemed themselves. I can't wait for Halloween. I think Halloween's going to be he's already gone through Halloween.
I've already gone through Halloween.
So I hear that it might be a nice house, that it's following the very first Halloween movie. So I'm excited for that. And then the other two, whatever. But yeah.
Okay. Let's go to something else. So there's this Hogwarts kind of night set, if you will. It's a top and matching bottom. They look like they might be for girls, but if you find the right size, you can wear anything. They are both $29.95, and they feature the crest, Hogwarts crest, featuring all 4 houses. It's the same style. This says it's a nightgown, so it's like the extra long shirt. It is $34.95, and it has the same print. They have this cute Hufflepuff kind of, I don't know, windbreaker jacket. It's got like a hoodie. It's got the Hufflepuff on the back. This one is $65. It's a really nice material too. It's really nice tank top. Looks like it's a kind of, I can't remember what the back is called, but it's really narrow. This one's $37, but it's also made of that same kind of nice, I don't know, I call it athletic material. Found this cute kind of clutch style purse. This is Loungefly. This is $82. You have the owl kind of flying up above the castle. It's all embroidered. Really nice. This really nice embroidered Hogwarts shirt, $35, with all 4 houses represented. Have these long sleeve shirts, but it's a really thin material. They are $57, and they have the different crests that are kind of bedazzled on the shirt. They're cute, but yeah. Have some Fantastic Beasts shirts, merch. This one is, if I can flip it, this one is $34 with the different beast on it. Looks like Hogshead is getting some of its own merch. They got this baseball cap. It's $26. It has Hogsmeade on the back. Some coasters. These are $8 each. Like a small little beer mug. This is $17. And then they have these shirts with the logo kind of in the corner. These are $30. Oh, and there's a nice little print on the back as well. They have this Spider-Man Loungefly I haven't seen before. He is $85. So before we head out, we always get a sweet treat for the road. This time we chose Cinnabon. You can get the classic 4-count Bon Bite for $4.39. If you like the original, there's the classic roll for $4.49 each. Our personal favorite is the Caramel Pecan Bon for $5.29 each. Alright guys, so that does it for tonight. Another night completed here at Halloween Horror Nights. We have completed 7 total houses. I've done 8, but together, me and Will, we've done 7. So we got a few more houses to cover. We got a couple more weeks to go, so there's a lot more fun still to be had here at Horror Nights before the season finishes. So thank you so much for following along. As you know, I am always Mike the Bee. You never know where I'm going to be. I'm just going to be. You be too. I'll see you guys later. Bye!